How to delete eBay account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll simply guide you on how you can delete your eBay account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to delete your eBay account, all you have to do is simply go ahead and first of all open up your browser, or you can also use the app, or just go to ebay.com from your browser and sign into the account that you want to delete. Once you sign into the account that you might want to delete, what you want to do is tap the three lines option from the top right hand side of the screen here. Once you tap the three lines option from the top right, over here you'll find this option known as help. You want to make sure to just tap on help. Once you tap on help here, you'll find this help search button. In the search button, you simply want to go ahead and then type in something similar to closing your account. As you type in closing, you'll find the first article that says closing your account. Just make sure to tap on that article here. Then you'll see this closing your account article pop up, where you want to simply scroll all the way to the bottom. Here you'll find this link that says close account. So tap on this close account button here. Once you tap on close account, it'll ask me for a confirmation as to why you want to close it. So just tell them the reason why you want to close your account, and then after you've done that, just select I want to delete my eBay account. Just agree to the terms and conditions here, and then just tap on submit, and then your eBay account will be successfully deleted. This way you can delete your eBay accounts. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.